my gosh! How great is this for a dream Easter basket? Bunny waffle maker! How great is that? Now, here comes our biggest challenge of all. Putting everything together. Oops-a-doops. Anyways, hello! It's Nadia Seed, and if you can't tell, it's Easter. So that means that we have to have an Easter basket. So in today's video, I am going to show you how to DIY make your own dream Easter basket. Yeah! Sure, we could buy some store-bought pre-made baskets, which are cool, but don't you just want to make it unique, creative, and make it all about you? Because we are not normal. We are out of the norm. We are special and unique. So don't you want to just make something that represents you, that you can create? Well, that's what we're going to do.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a list of
My dream Easter basket.
and I'm going to write down certain categories of what I want in that Easter basket.
So I think one of the things I'm going to do is hobby, because I love to craft and that's one of the main hobbies I do. So I'm going to write that down. Okay, so I finished writing all of my categories. I have hobby, play, education, snacks, and activity. Now you can copy these categories if you want, but feel free to totally just add on whatever you want. You can even make your own things. Just make it personalized to you. And now, let's go get the supplies. Whee!
So one thing I want in my Easter basket is some acrylic paint. And that color I want is some burnt umber. See if you can find some burnt umber. Okay, to fill my activity category, I think I have an idea.
Oh, that was a lot to bring in. I got so much stuff, but I think I'm just gonna bring a category at a time so I can really show you guys and all of that. But here is the hobby category, and so this is mainly just my crafts. I have a bunch of stuff and I got a bunch of glue. Don't judge me, but crafts takes a lot of glue, especially with me. I use up so much glue. I don't even know how it happens, but I just do one craft and then all my glue's gone. So I've got a lot of glue and my burnt umber. Doesn't everybody need some burnt umber acrylic paint in their life? I sure do. Says glitter foam sheet. I think it's paper foam, like it's foam, but I definitely need this color, this glittery stuff. That's what I'll call it. And why do I need it? I don't know yet. I saw these miniature clothespins and they're so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, so they're just what the name is. Miniature clothespins. And I got this tub. It's actually called a tub. And this will work especially for what you're going to see in a minute. So stay tuned because it'll be super cool. And last in the hobby category, I have some containers I'm going to store my stuff in and these clothespins. Let's see if I can get this in the basket with everything else. We might have to get rid of some Easter grass, but we'll see. Somehow I fit everything into this Easter basket. Now on to the next category. Next category, play. And here I have slime. I love slime, and this is my first ever fully articulated Barbie doll, and I've been wanting one for so long, and I finally got it. I'm so happy. You see this tub over here? Once I take this Barbie doll out of its box, I can bend it and just articulate it to fit into this bathtub. And it'll be super duper cool. Bet you can't do that with the 5 points of articulation doll, can you now? That was a lot of work putting all of this in, and we're still not done. So this basket is going to have to be getting rearranged a lot. We might even need to use another basket. Who knows, but. And now let's move on to the next category, which is education. For this category, I have a book, and this is actually a really cool book because it is a kids cookbook, and I actually really like cooking, and Daddy Seed cooks a lot. So if you haven't already, go check out Daddy Seed's channel, Daddy Seed, and he does a lot of cooking, talking about sneakers, and that's a really cool channel, so you should go check it out. And this book is called The Complete Cookbook for Young Chefs, and I think this will really be fun to make some recipes from because it has a bunch of recipes. Oops-a-doops. Listen to me. I'm a new channel. Are you liking the videos I'm posting? We're having fun, aren't we? And the way we can keep having fun together is by you liking and subscribing. Because that way I can keep making fun videos for you. Please. And also, leave a comment down below and tell me what's going on with you. And have you done some of the stuff that I'm doing in that video? Next category, snacks. You probably can't see the list, but that's okay because it's right here. You can't have an Easter basket without Peep. Come on. And we have here some boba tea. And we have the tea with some instant boba. If you don't know, I love boba. You've got to go watch my bubble tea video because you'll see. And I even have a boba tea straw. One for you and one for me. Okay, so my next category is activity. Let me go grab that and we can finish putting it all together. Look what I have for activity. Bubbles! Everybody loves bubbles. And oh my gosh, how great is this for a dream Easter basket? I have a funny waffle maker. How great is that? Now, here comes our biggest challenge of all, putting everything together. Can we do it? I don't know. We can. We can do this. Yes, we're strong. Ooh. Oops-a-doops. I cannot believe we just put everything together. That was like so much stuff. Yeah, we did that thing. Look at this basket. This is the biggest Easter basket I've ever had in my entire life. And it's all stuff in our dreams. And it's right here. So tell me, what do you put in your Easter basket? Or what do you want in your dream Easter basket? I think this is awesome for me. But, you know, just make it personalized to what you want and what you dream of in your Easter basket. And if you didn't make your Easter basket, then DM me a picture and I might just post it on my Instagram page, Real Nadia Seed. But otherwise, leave me a comment and tell me what you want in your Easter basket. Now, next thing is just to wrap this thing. Let's do it. Woo! Look what I have here. This big old roll of cellophane, and I'm going to use this to wrap the Easter basket. Okay, so now it's time to wrap it. I already got it underneath, so I'm going to tape the side with some clear tape. Okay, so I'm going to use this ribbon. I'm going to just cut it before so it's not so hard to tie it. Since I'm going to bunch this up and then I'm going to tie it into a little bow. Okay, so I put a bow on it, I tied it, and it looks super cute. And now you have all this material at the top. You can cut it, but I think I'm going to leave it. Ow!
What happened?
I just bent both sides of the teeth. I think I'm going to cut it. How do you like it? I think it's super cool.
Nice.
I can't believe we just did that.
Woo!
And this can also be a great gift to give someone. Just make sure it matches them very well. Hello, Nadia. Hey, what's up, Claudia? Happy Easter. Here, take your present. Oh, thanks, Claudia. It's the best dream Easter basket ever. And how do you know it has every single thing I want in here? I just know you so well. You do. Anyways, watch another video right now and let's make not normal the new normal.